If you searched for ChatGPT and found several apps with almost the same name, don't download anything just yet. A lot of people end up installing the wrong app without even realizing it. In this video, I'll show you how to find the official ChatGPT app, install it on Android or iPhone, create your account, and start using it completely free. Open Google Play Store. Search ChatGPT. Welcome to Bright Circuit AI, where we make AI simple for everyone. Whether you're a student, a professional, a business owner, or you're just curious about AI, this tutorial will help you get started in just a few minutes. By the end of this video, you'll know how to download the correct app, create your account, and ask your first question with confidence. Beginner-friendly. Free to start. Step-by-step guide. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is an AI assistant developed by OpenAI. Think of it as someone you can ask questions, brainstorm ideas with, summarize long documents, practice interview questions, write emails, or even help you study. It's designed to understand natural language, so you can chat with it almost like you're talking to another person. Is ChatGPT free? One of the questions people ask the most is, do I have to pay to use ChatGPT? The answer is no. You can start with the free version, and it's powerful enough for most everyday tasks. There's also a paid plan called ChatGPT Plus with additional features, but you don't need it to follow this tutorial. How to download the official app. If you're using Android, open the Google Play Store and search for ChatGPT. Before you tap install, look carefully at the publisher. The official app is published by OpenAI. Don't rely only on the app name because other apps may use similar names. If you're using an iPhone, the process is almost the same. Open the App Store, search for ChatGPT, and make sure the publisher is OpenAI before downloading. How to create your account. Once the app finishes installing, open it and tap Sign Up if you don't already have an account. You can register using your Google account, Apple account, or an email address. The setup only takes a minute or two. After that, you'll be taken to the ChatGPT home screen where you're ready to start chatting. And now comes the fun part. Let's ask ChatGPT our first question. Instead of typing something very short like CV, try giving it clear instructions. For example, write a professional CV for a recent computer science graduate, or create a 1-week reading timetable for my exams, or draft out a meal plan for my body recomposition journey. The more specific your request is, the better the response you'll usually get. 3 Beginner Tips. Before you go, here are 3 quick tips that will make your experience much better. First, be specific. Clear questions usually produce better answers. Second, if you don't like the first response, ask a follow-up question or request changes. Finally, remember that AI isn't perfect. Always double-check important information, especially for school, work, or financial decisions. Congratulations! You now know how to download the official ChatGPT app, create your account, and start using it. If this tutorial helped you, consider subscribing to Bright Circuit AI for more beginner-friendly AI tutorials, practical tips, and honest tool comparisons. In the next video, I'll show you 10 powerful ChatGPT prompts that every beginner should know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.